Hi everyone, today we are going to study work ethos and values. So first we will study levels of work ethos. In that, first level is discipline. When I talk about discipline, it's the manner in which you perform your work at the best. Whatever work you are given as an employee, you should follow discipline in it. Means you should complete that work on time and start on time. Next level is punctuality. When I talk about punctuality, it means you should go to your workplace and on time, start your work on time, complete your work on time, and do your dedication towards your work as well. For behavior with the subordinate, when I talk about this skill should be in the manager, because a manager should behave properly with their subordinates, especially the employees who are new. They should not feel that they are humiliated by their bosses and their bosses are rude while talking to them. Work should be allotted in a manner that they do not feel that they are nowhere in the organization or they are new in the organization. Not wasting your time. It means you should not waste your time by doing some unnecessary things while you are working, because time plays an important role while achieving your targets. So there are cut-off times for each and every file. So you should not waste your time and do your work with discipline, punctuality, so that it completes on time. 4 P's of work ethics, that is product, price, place, promotion. When I talk about product, a product should be designed in such a manner that it gets sold in the market. Then pricing of the product should be very economical that all people can buy it. Product, price, place. The place you are selling those products should be suitable for that particular type of citizen, and promotion should be done at most level so that it reaches the information to that particular group where you are trying to sell those products. Social responsibility towards the employees and towards the society where we are performing the business is very important for an corporate and their culture. Humanity and respect for all. Whenever we talk about values, culture, there comes humanity, and humanity leads to respect for all. We should take respect and we should give respect also. Next is accountability and responsibility. Whenever work is delegated, take the responsibility and also try to share your responsibility, which will give you the feeling of belongingness, and the appraisal is also done on the performance basis.